Okay, we're doing another Andrew related song today. Kind of related song, not quite. He just keeps talking about it in streams, and it reminded me of how much I absolutely adored this song when it came out and how I sang it non-stop, and then I kind of forgot it existed. And it's Hayley Williams, and Hayley Williams is literally the love of my life. Throwback to when I made Tasha fly with me to Germany to see Paramore live, and then cried when Hayley Williams pointed in our direction, because I still relive that night every day. I have the video on my phone. Oh, I love her so much. He keeps talking about it anyway, and he keeps singing it in bits and pieces, so I wanted to cover it, because I've always wanted to, and I actually did it for GCSE music at one point, but I did it so that I sang the rapping part, because I'm not a rapper. If I get the lyrics wrong, don't judge me. It has been a long time since I've sang this, so I'm doing my best. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could choose a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. After all the partying, the smashing, the crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade to the darkness, when you're staring at the phone in your lap and you're hoping but the people never call you back. And that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold, and as your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, airplane, sorry I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I'll switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. Airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Back when I was trying to get a tip of Subway, back when I was rapping for the hell of it. Nowadays we rap to stay relevant. Guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, oh maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap games. Back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape, back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is for the hater, what's up, Bobby Rays? Can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this? So here I stand, and then again I'll say, hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. Airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could really use a wish right now. I could really use a, I could really use a. Wish right now. What was that ending? I am a few days behind on Vlogmas. Things happened, I got tired, I was overtired. You saw from my lack of sleep video, I didn't sleep for a day, and it was awful, and I'm trying to catch up. I might do a couple of days where I do 2 videos, where I do one on my main channel, one on my side channel, or do one on my side channel, one on my gaming channel, something along those lines. But at the same time, I might just add a few days onto the end of Vlogmas to just do the 24 videos in this month. So, alright, proof of how much of a Paramore fan I am. This is Hayley Williams on my phone case, and it says, "Oh Glory, come and find me." It's from part 2, which is kind of my battle song. Anytime we play Bed Wars, this is the song I make us all listen to, and we all run around going, "Dancing on my own." It's great. It's great fun. Yes, thank you very much for watching, and I will get another video up for you hopefully tomorrow.